Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable root login via SSH on DigitalOcean droplets, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your DigitalOcean droplet using SSH. Open your terminal application. Type in the command to connect to your droplet. Use the format SSH root at your _droplet _IP. Replace your _droplet _IP with the actual IP address of your droplet. Press enter and provide the root password when prompted. Once logged in, check the SSH configuration file. Type sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd_config. This opens the SSH daemon configuration file in the nano text editor. Locate the line that says permit root login. If it is commented out with a hashtag, remove the hashtag to uncomment it. Change the line to read, permit root login no. This setting disables root login via SSH. After making the change, save the file. Press Ctrl+O to save your changes. Then press enter to confirm. Exit the nano editor by pressing Ctrl+X. Next, check if any other users have SSH access. It's important to have a non-root user account for SSH access. If you haven't created one, do so by running add user username. Replace username with your preferred non-root username. Set a strong password when prompted. Once the user is created, add this user to the sudo group. Use the command usermod ag sudo username. Change username to your new non-root username. Now, restart the SSH service to apply the changes. Run the command sudo system to restart SSHD. Your droplet is now configured to disallow root logins via SSH. For extra security, consider setting up SSH key authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.